back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be going to IKEA Navi Mumbai. I have been wanting to go there since months because I did have like a certain furniture items in my room that I owned since I was a kid, and now I feel like they just don't make sense as I'm a content creator. Like I need place in my room. So I'll be going to IKEA today to look for some nice furniture, some cute decor pieces, some frames, a few bathroom essentials and a lot of shopping. I am really excited to take you all along. So let's go. See, this wall in my room is entirely empty, so maybe I want to stick some frames here. And even this is entirely a mess, so I'll have to like keep everything back in its place here. And I'm also thinking of getting like a mini vanity desk here. Here's the wall that I take all my content, so I would want like a few frames here. Hi guys, we just got done with our lunch and then I went to get some coffee because I really needed some energy before we start shopping. And it also turns out that it's my birthday month, so they gave us like this very yummy cute free pastry because it's my birthday month. So I got a pastry and I also got some coffee because I really need that coffee hit. Also got this list of a few things that I actually have to buy, and like these are just measurements, but now I'll just write down like a proper list of things that I need, because before leaving I did take like a few random pictures on my laptop of things that I potentially would like, and now I'll just like see them in person and see if I actually want to buy them. Guys, I think I found something that I can use next to my bed because it's very tiny and it won't take much of my place. So I think this is something that I would potentially buy. That I wanted something for my bedside table because I had a desk there previously which I removed, and these are all the options that I have. But I still like that floating shelf that we saw previously. I think I'll take that, but these options are also really great for like a bedside table. And this Kulin desk was our second option. If you wouldn't have taken the floating desk, I think we would have taken this. But again, this takes a lot of place. From the width part, it takes a lot of place. Guys, I wanted something like a vanity desk that, like, you know, where I can just sit and get ready. So I think this is nice, but again it's very small and plus it's open, like there's no drawer to it. Guys, again this is so cute. I like how it's like, it looks very vintage. Even this can be like a really cute bedside table. I also got this desk if I want to edit on my bed or like just do anything. It's just very comfortable. Then my mom also uses these kitchen cloths and she finds them very comfortable, so I just restocked on this. Guys, we also saw these pack of 3 very cute kitchen towels, and I think the print is honestly very pretty, and I think this is for 200. And I also thought that these table mats looked really cute, especially the lemon one. I don't know if this looks very plasticky or fake, but I think the lemon one looks like cute to me at least. Guys, I also like these pink table runner. It's for rupees 500. It's cute. Our next stop was the bedsheet section. Guys, I really like this roses wala bedsheet. So I'm thinking of getting this. What the bedsheet looks like. It's like just basic roses. I think it's cute. Like it'll look good throughout, like all year. So really wanted this bedsheet. It's in this very cute bubblegum pink color. I'm getting this one for sure. And they also had this in green, but I can't see it, so I'm thinking it's sold out. And now I'm very confused which one should I take. But this lined one also looks very simple and very Pinteresty, so now I'm wondering which one should I take out of these 3. I also wanted this little handkerchief for my washroom, so I'll get this. Guys, if you're building like a new bathroom, I really like this one, but I think for our bathroom we wanted more storage place, is why I did not get this. But I feel this one's very cute. Like you can also like add like a cute planter to it and you can hang this in your bathroom. This is a really good option too. For my bathroom I also wanted like a toothbrush holder. Guys, we're in the lamp section, and I think it has been a dream of mine to have like a little lamp in my room. So I think I'll get this one because it's pretty small and I think it looks cute. If you want something bigger, I like this lamp too, but it's a little expensive and this will take a lot of place in my room. And apart from that, if you want something that's cheaper than what I have got, you can also get this one. It is for $5.99 and like it's a bit cheaper, but again it takes a lot of place and it's just like a traditional lamp. But I think this is smaller and much cuter. I'm also taking this mat for my bathroom. I think it's cute. I'll take a fresh piece. नहीं मम्मा फिलहाल एक guys, I really like this frame here, but I'm wondering if I need it or I don't. They also have this frame in like white. It's for $129, so I'm thinking if I should get this only. Guys, right now I'm just keeping everything in my cart. I'll see later which one do I really need. Really wanted this, but I want it in gold. Like these gold frames would have looked so much more prettier and I couldn't find them anywhere. Here are all of the mirrors. I already own one mirror from IKEA, but I'm wondering if I need like another mirror that would be above my vanity. Since I wanted my mirror like to be gold in color, if I am buying the vanity, I think I would get this mirror that is like यहाँ पे vanity होगा and यहाँ पे I wanted like a mirror, but again I don't like this shape a lot. I really like that shape, but that mirror is extremely big. I also thought of getting this so that I can put like all my frames here, and it's like pink in color, so it'll also add like a pop of color. I also like this mini candle. I'm getting it. For my bathroom, I needed some sort of leaves to add like a pop of color, so I'm thinking I'll get like these. It comes for like 500 and I think it's a pack of like 3, but again I don't like this. I won't use this one at all, so I'm wondering should I even get it. You guys, I think I found the desk of my dreams. This desk was not available anywhere, and like even right now they were like, ma'am, I don't think ये stock में है, and it is right here. So this is what the desk looks like. It's again a little too expensive, but I get it because it's very compact, and the best part about this desk is it has like a foldable mirror and it has like this very compact vanity thing also, so that you know you can even store stuff here. And yeah, I think I'm getting this like a mini drawer too. Even the height is like fine, I think, because I have a plug point in my room, so I think it won't come in the way, or I think it will. Guys, I don't think you'll be able to take this, and I'm very sad about it. That is because this thing is a little long and I think my switchboard comes somewhere here on the wall, so of course we can't cover the switchboard, right? So I think this is of no use. I also made my mind up and I got one bedside table, so I was just going to the inventory and like picking what I wanted because I couldn't get the desk. I was so mad about it. Guys, basically I only wanted storage above my oven because it just takes a lot of place, and I think this is really great and it's quite affordable too. So I think my oven, like my microwave, can be, and I can like stack up things above it. Guys, we're also getting a chopping board. I was thinking of taking this desk. It's from the kids section, but it doesn't have a drawer. I don't know why would they not give a drawer. Like they could have just given that. And I like it because यहाँ पे socket के लिए, you know, there's place if you wanna like charge your laptop and something. And plus, I mean, it's nice. I don't know, Diya, I'm getting very frustrated.
Charlie, just take this. Let's go.
But then how will we sit? What will we sit on?
How will we sit on a stool? You cannot sit on this. This is cute. I like it. I really liked it. I was sitting on this.
So if you're taking a chair, then let's take it in pink.
No! Already grey. One grey.
No.
One grey.
If you're taking a chair, then
How much is this for?
1,000.
What? This?
350.
No, I like this better.
I'll be posting an IKEA haul on my Instagram very soon, but this took an entire day and I was so tired, but I was glad that I got to shop so much. And stay tuned for the next video.